Hi, today we're gonna make scallop Cantonese style chow mein. We're gonna use scallop, the jumbo scallop like about a little bit over half a pound. Then we're gonna using Cantonese noodle, already cooked. They call it steam noodle, rice egg noodle, already cooked. Then we're gonna cook with some eel choy. Do you like that? And we only use a few pieces. We only use a couple, just some pieces. And also some onions, sliced onion, and bean sprout, and green onion, and black mushroom. The Chinese black mushroom, they're dry and you have to soak it overnight before that to cut it. Otherwise they are hard, they are dry. Okay, the noodle we're going to use, we only use half of them. Yes, we only use half of them. And we boil them in, we have to make it kind of cook a little bit before we pan fry them. So we cook them up. So we use about 7 ounces Cantonese noodle. You want it soft, you don't want it too dry. So like I said, they already cooked. Okay, that's about right. Alright, then we shut it off. So we're gonna drink that hot water. Cool it down with cold water. And that's it. And this is the scallop. And all you have to do, we have to put some, we have to put some white pepper in it. And some sesame seed oil, just a little bit. And a little salt. Alright. After that, we're gonna put some cornstarch in it. Okay, let me wash my hand. Alright, then we're gonna put some oil in it. Just pan fry them on both sides. So if you want to see some of them are too thick, you just cut them in half. Otherwise, just leave it. So. Okay, so it's cooked. So now we're gonna pan fry the Cantonese noodle. kind of browned on both sides. Okay, so you can tell if I lift it up, you can see that browning. So we're gonna cook it. We're gonna turn it over. So just simple, just like that. Okay, turn it over like that. Then suppose on both sides kind of browning, kind of crispy, and the inside they're soft, you know. So see, they're blending up pretty good. So just a few more minutes. So we're gonna pick up the chow mein noodle is done. So we're gonna put it on the plate. So just like that. And we're gonna cook the vegetable. Then we're gonna put a teaspoon of garlic in it. Some onion, sliced onion, and the black mushroom. And bean sprout. Alright, then we're gonna put two tablespoons of cooking wine and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of sugar. So we put 1 cup of water in it. We're going to make the gravy. We're going to put a couple tablespoons of cornstarch to half a cup of water. Kind of mix them up, you know, like that. Then we're going to try to thicken up the sauce, okay? You do it slowly. And you cook it longer, cook it longer, you'll get thickening more, see? Maybe you need just a little bit. Alright, then we're gonna put the green onions in it. And that's the scallops, we cooked them, and we're gonna add it on right now. Yeah, and that's done. Okay, then I think it's done. So we're gonna scoop that. The vegetable on the top. Put it on top of the chow mein noodle. Okay, this is scallop Cantonese chow mein.